Hi everyone, my name is Mie Yim. I'm a painter living in New York, and this is my studio in the Bronx. I do mostly oil painting and a lot of pastel drawings, and I'd like to show you how to make one today. Pastel is basically a fancy chalk, and they come in different brands. These are called New Pastel, and they're very inexpensive. And then I have some special pastels here. They're handmade. They have a high concentrated color saturation, so I use them once in a while if I want to give a drawing a pop. I also use a lot of pastel pencils. They're great if you want to make detailed drawings or hard lines. And these are all easily blendable with blending sticks or even with your finger, but you need to wear a glove. So you have your pastels and pastel pencils, and what you want also is paper that is toothy, not too smooth, because you want the pastel to stick to the surface. I love to use, there are many different kinds of paper you could use, but I love this handmade paper with deckled edges. They come in multicolors like this, and you can get it from Blick. They're quite inexpensive. They are $18 for a pack of 25, so it's less than $1 per paper. So I'm gonna pick today, I'll pick this dark pink color. Now, before I start, I want to show you, I like to keep a wet paper towel next to me, because you don't want, when you're drawing, you don't want all the dust of the pastel floating around. So as you draw, you're going to collect some of that extra pastel, and you want to just pick it up gently and you tap it vertically, and it will fall to this wet paper towel. It's a great way, great trick. And you should wear a glove, because especially the high-end pastels are a little bit toxic. Not as toxic as oil paint, like cadmium colors, but you don't want to breathe that in. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so let's see. What do I want to do? I never know what I want to do. Every drawing is a fresh start, and I always try to surprise myself. I don't want to think too hard. I just want to start making marks before I decide. That's the fun of it. And so here I go. I just grabbed a pencil, and this is like an ochre color, and I'm gonna make a round shape. I like to do a blend of figurative images, like recognizable shapes like eyes and ears, and vaguely representational images of animals, monsters. But I like to have fun with that and maybe mix that in with abstract shapes, like, you know, lines and dots, and anything goes, really. I mean, I don't have rules. Why do I have to have rules? So I'm just literally making it up as I go. It's kind of scary, but really exciting. And you see, you can just take your finger, and then you can blend if you want and get that softer finish. Or if you want something really sharp, take a pencil and maybe get some spikes coming out of it. And then, let's see, I could take, where is a white pastel? Maybe make a dot here, and that'll make it look like it's glowing. See? Okay, and we're gonna speed this up for you to see where we can go. this way or this way, and I want to add a few more things. But I do want to tell you that you should fix it with a fixative. You just spray it evenly outside, and that will help hold the pastel down on paper. And you want to cover it with either glassine paper or wax paper that will help it store the pastel drawing safely. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll try it. Thank you. Bye. We can always edit. We can always do it again, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready? Hi, everyone. Hi.
What? Just keep going. It's fine. Just keep going.
Motorcycle.
Keep going. Keep going.
Okay. Maybe I'll just come in.
You want to choreograph it?
Are you filming right now?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Come on, start over. Delete.